So once you edit out your photo inside of Adobe Camera RAW, if you want to take it into Adobe Photoshop, you can also take it out as an object. So to do that, you need to go around onto the gear icon right here, and in workflow, you can choose open in Photoshop as smart object right here. Once you do that, over here you can see that open object is an option. So here you can see that by default open object is an option right here. If I were to disable this, then you simply get open. So whenever it opens in Photoshop, it does not open as smart object. But as soon as you choose this, you can see open object is an option, and you can see that you have other option as well. So as soon as I click this, what happens is that you can see that the Adobe Camera RAW closes and Adobe Photoshop loads up. And over here, you can see that whatever editing I did inside of Adobe Camera RAW is retained over here, and it is retained as a smart object, as you can see right here. So you can see that this is what you have. This is a smart object just like this, and then this is what you have right here. So when I double click on the layer, you can still go around and make the changes over here just like this, and it becomes dynamic. You can go around, make the changes and press OK, and the changes are reflected directly back in Photoshop, as you can see right here. And that is the beauty of smart object. You can still go around and make changes to it however you like. So let me just go around and press Ctrl D right here, resize this, place this wherever I want right here, just like this. And then you can go around and then double click over here, just like this again, and it opens up Camera RAW again, and then you can go around and edit it out according to how you want. So you can see that it opens up Camera RAW again, so you can go around, make further changes to it right here, just like this, make it black and white, press OK, and then you can see that the changes get reflected. And that is how you can utilize the option to open images that you have edited inside of Adobe Camera RAW as a smart object inside of Photoshop. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.